If you've been searching for a side hustle that actually pays and doesn't require showing your face, today's video is for you. In 2025, thousands of people in the US are making $200 to $600 per day selling AI-generated printables on Etsy. And the crazy part is that you don't need design skills or marketing experience to start. You just need a laptop, free AI tools, and the strategy I'll show you today. Welcome back to Side Hustle Nation, the channel where we turn simple ideas into real income. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we post daily money-making methods that are actually working right now. Today's method is beginner-friendly, affordable, and perfect for anyone looking to build passive income. So let's jump into the step-by-step system. The method we're talking about today is called the iEtsy Printables system. It lets you create digital products using AI and upload them to Etsy for instant sales worldwide. Digital products like planners, calendars, worksheets, and templates sell incredibly well because buyers use them immediately. And the best part? You only make them once and get paid forever. Etsy Printables exploded in 2025 because customers want fast, low-cost digital downloads. There's no shipping, no packaging, and no returns for damaged items. Sellers love it because it's passive, and buyers love it because it's instant. This makes it one of the most stable online income streams right now. The first step is finding niches that are already making money. Go to Etsy and search for trending items like business planner, fitness tracker, budget printable, and wedding templates. Sort by best-selling to see what's working today. Your goal is to find demand, not guess it. Focus on products with high demand and low competition. Digital packs like 50-page planners, small business kits, and social media templates sell very well. They're easy to make, and customers pay premium prices for them. This gives you more money for the same amount of work. Use tools like Canva AI, ChatGPT, Kittl, and Midjourney for your product designs. Canva makes clean templates automatically, and ChatGPT can generate written content like planner pages or prompts. These tools save hours of work and make your designs look professional. You don't need any graphic design experience. Start with something simple like a 10-page productivity planner. Use Canva AI to generate the layout and ChatGPT to write the titles, sections, and prompts. Keep everything minimal, clean, and professional because that's what Etsy buyers prefer. Export your pages as PDF and save them. To stand out, create a unique style for your printable. Use matching fonts, colors, and icons so your store looks trustworthy. Buyers always pay more for polished designs because they look premium. Good branding separates successful sellers from average ones. Turn your printable into a downloadable PDF pack. If it's a bundle, you can add multiple files and a cover page. Include short instructions so buyers know how to use it. Buyers appreciate products that feel complete and easy to understand. Create your Etsy shop with a clean name that matches your niche like Studio Planner Co. or Digital Glow Designs. Upload a professional logo and banner to make your shop look credible. Fill out your bio with friendly, human language. A professional shop earns more trust and more sales. Upload your PDF and add a strong title using keywords like productivity planner, daily organizer, and instant download. Then write a clear description explaining what the customer receives. Add 10 high-quality mockups made with Canva or Kittl to show your product visually. Good mockups can triple your sales instantly. Start with competitive pricing to attract your first customers. You can list your product between $4.99 and $9.99 depending on its size. Once your listing gets reviews, increase your price by $2 to $4. This strategy builds trust and boosts your earnings fast. Your product needs views to make sales. Share your listing on Pinterest because Pinterest traffic converts extremely well for printable products. You can also upload short TikTok videos showcasing planner pages. A single viral pin or TikTok can bring hundreds of sales. Once you make your first 10 to 20 sales, start adding more products. Create bundles, seasonal planners, wedding templates, teacher resources, and business workbooks. More listings equal more sales and more passive income. Aim for 50 products in your store over the next 60 days. This side hustle becomes powerful because your old products keep selling without extra work. Your shop can earn money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other projects. Some sellers in the US are making thousands monthly with only digital printables. And you can do the same with consistency. If you're waiting for a guaranteed, easy, beginner-friendly method, this is it. You don't need money, skills, or followers to start earning. You just need to create your first product today. The sooner you begin, the sooner you see results. Thanks for watching today's AI Etsy Printables tutorial. If you want tomorrow's script, comment next below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily money-making ideas. I'll see you in the next one.